What's up, YouTube family? So we're back with another one, and we're out here. So she's loving this. Look at the fake Eiffel Tower. And it's beautiful too. Look at the scenery. You gotta look like I Love Pho down there. But this is so peaceful. You ready? Alright, you got to see it now. I like it got blue or purple lights on there.
It has beds.
Ooh, look at us. We're out here.
That's why it's got beds, I think.
Oh yeah, massage chairs and beds. We're out here about to get our eat on. So let's show y'all where we're going. What's that? We're gonna go ahead in here and see what we can do. You got your mask up? Is this? Oh yeah, this is the right. When do we work here? Thank you. All right, you can take your mask off. So we're back, and like I was saying, we're trying to get our channel to at least 200 subscribers by the end of November. So we're shooting for that goal. So I'm on a date with one of my kids, just on one date. So the good thing about this is you get to pick which one you want. You see how it comes through here, and you just take whatever you want. You see that? And it goes all the way around. See the little trays? It goes all the way around. And then when it comes to you, you just pick which one you want. And then in front of you, right here, is where you take your broth and you cook it, and then you pull the stuff from the belt and put it in there and make it like a soup. That's quail eggs. Hello, thank you.
You got ready order?
Yes. Can we have, you said beef broth? She wants beef broth.
Beef broth?
Yes, I want beef broth too.
Okay.
And you want rice? And we'll take a rice.
What kind of fried rice? You want that?
Combination. Okay, so we're gonna wait until these little things come around to pull and see which one we want. They give you this. This for your little soups and stuff. And up there, you wanna go to the bar and get us some dressing? Yeah. Come on, this is where you get your sauces from, right here. All right, so right now we're waiting until we get our stuff around here before we start. So we did already put our broth on. Let me show you our broth. And we already pulled one. We already pulled this off the belt. And we got our broth in front of us. We got our bowl with our spoon. We got our fork. So now we're just waiting. Oh, and we got our water. That's good. They gave us bottled water. Huh? So now we're just waiting for um, some good old stuff to come through here so we can go on and take our pick and choose which one we want to do. We got the little bowl. We got the little bowl, so we cook it in there. We're gonna mix it. Ben is the one I use chopsticks. Let me show y'all her face. Oh, she turned her head. Ben is the one I know how to use chopsticks. We got some forks, because I don't know how to use no chopsticks, so we got some forks, baby. That's all right. I'm gonna take these home for practice, because I'm gonna learn. Uh-oh. So now our broth is boiling. Oh, there goes. What you want? Oh, there goes some broccoli. We can share some broccoli. You want some broccoli in yours? You don't want no broccoli in yours? So what you want? Got some corn. So we gotta see. So right now I'm just looking at the belt to see what I'm gonna get. You want some spinach? What is it called? Let's see. Let's see what this is called. You want watercress? They're pretty good. You want it? And also always, what is it? Oh, I don't know what that means. You want that one? So that's the only thing. Sometimes it takes a while for you to come on, for everything to come on around for you to get your food. You see how it's going right beside us? So I also got these handy dandy wipes that I carry everywhere. So here, there go yours. You want some mustard greens? Oh, bok choy. I want that. We're about to get us some bok choy. Oh, and let me show y'all this. It's rolling now. Let me show y'all. See how it's boiling? And she got us some bok choy. We're going to share this on here and then we're going to put it in there. Yeah, it is boiling. Oops, sorry, Kate. Oops. Sorry about that. No, I don't need that. So then we got some corn up here. I thought they had crab legs and stuff. You see how it's coming alongside of us? You want broccoli or no? You want corn? All right, let me get it. All right, so so here you see it. We're going to grab our corn off. We're going to put it on our table. I can see it right there. All right, so let me wipe off my hands. After I get done with all this, I'll go ahead and wipe off my hands. So look at my wipe. The personal size, the antibacterial wipes. They got some quail eggs. No, we don't need that. I want to see if they got some crab legs on here. So we got our noodles, we got our bok choy, we got some corn, and yeah, I'm trying to see. Let me show you our fried rice. So don't that look good? So we got some fried rice. Oh, here, you want a fork? Yeah. Come on now. Thanks. I know, I seen you. But I'm trying to eat. She's trying to take her time with Mama trying to eat. You know what I'm saying?
That's because you're very, very
Yeah, you ate this morning. I didn't. So now we about to, you gonna put it in there? Or you gonna put it in your bowl? Alright, so let me show you what Sweetie is doing. She's putting hers in there. You cleaned your hand, you probably gotta use it with you. So we're going to put our bok choy in here and let it cook a little. You want more? And we're going to put our corn in there and let it cook in there. And you see how it's just going in there? So we're going to just cook it up. You see it? Now with my noodles, I'm going to put my noodles in my bowl. I ain't even going to put mine in there. And then we got our rice. Be careful, because it's hot. I know, that's why I said be careful. So we got 3 of these, so we're going to put these right here. You want some rice? So we're just going to put our noodles in our bowl. So we're going to put our noodles back in our bowl. And we're going to get this to going. Let me show y'all. So once we got our noodles in our bowl, we're going to take our mixture. As soon as it cooks, and we're going to put some of this broth. We'll take some of this broth and put it in here. So that way I cook the noodles. Yeah, you could. Sorry about that. I'm paying attention to her. Make sure she don't burn herself. Just push the off button. Yep. So that way I'll cook this noodles up in here, and then I'll take some of this bok choy. Since it's been in there cooking, and I'm gonna take that and put that in here. I'm mad they don't got no crab legs. That's why I came up here. So we're gonna let the corn cook a little bit longer. Then we're gonna get some of this beautiful rice and put it over here on the side. Y'all, we eating good today, y'all. We eating good.
Honestly, I'm surprised that we don't even have any meat.
Oh, we ain't get no meat. You want meat? Huh? You can still turn it off, but the broth is still hot, so you can still cook your meat in there. As soon as the meat come back around, we'll get some. She wants some meat, honey. She say, we ain't just come up here for everything else, but not no meat. She want meat. What I like is this stuff. It's cooking in here.
This one we did last time.
Mm-hmm.
Was it just this place? So we came here before.
Mm-hmm.
I thought we just went to a place that was just like this.
I like the consistency of these noodles too. Let's get some rice. You want me to put that on there? You want some rice? Okay. Give me your spoon. You can still use that spoon with everything else too. You know what? I should have got some soy sauce. Here you go. What kind of sauce you got?
Honestly, I don't know. I'll try it first to see if it's good.
Okay, so you try it first and then you let me know. So she want to try the sauce first to see if it's good. Don't pour a whole lot on there. What if you don't like it?
It's just
Here, put it on here.
It has chunks in it.
Now this broth is super good. Yeah, what I like about this place is you get to cook your own food in front of you. So I'm gonna turn this burner off. Ooh. No, that's good. You like it? Is it hot? Now this is some tofu seasoning. She wanted some tofu seasoning, so that's what we got.
So I can have the rest of the sauce.
Hmm?
I can have the rest of the sauce.
You like this sauce?
You don't like it.
It's a little spicy. This girl lied to me. She told me it wasn't hot. This thing is spicy.
Well, I only had a tiny bit.
This sauce is spicy. Ooh, boy. My kids like spicy stuff. I don't. So, ooh. This got oh no. It's good, but it's spicy. Let me show y'all what. You see, we done dug into our rice. I had to turn my burner off because the burner is right there where it's cooking the food. So I did turn that off. At one time, a person told me if their own kind don't eat at their restaurant, then you don't go. So I see that this must be some good food because I see a lot of their own kind in here. Oh, my nose is running. My daughter just looked at me like I was crazy. I was being serious.
Your finger now.
Huh?
It looks like your tears.
I am. This stuff hot. You set me up.
No, I didn't. I didn't even know. I had so tiny that I could barely even taste it.
You said she had a little bit, so she didn't even know it was spicy, but it's good, but it's spicy. I think I do want some more. It's good. It's spicy, but it's really good. Where the meat at? I ain't see no meat coming through here. Khalid be trying to
I haven't counted.
run my bills up, bro. Run my bills up. What? Put it on that plate. Put it on that plate. That's what y'all had. This broth is making this broth makes the whole thing worth it. Food make me happy. Food make me happy. What is this? Do I know what this is? That's it. It tastes like whale meat. Like I just ate somebody whale. I don't want no fish balls. I want something else. I don't want no fish balls. That tofu sauce was really good, but it was very spicy. Oh, might gotta put this under here. See if this will hold it up. Oh, just kidding. Dang, I thought that would have held it up, but I guess not. So she went back and got us some more sauce that burns the roof of my mouth. Okay, so now we're boiling again. Dang, I need a stand. So now we're boiling again. So now we're about to drop our meat in here. Get out of here. So now we're about to drop our meat in there. And we're going to mix it up. So, yeah, so the meat is in there. So let me wipe my hands off again. But that was raw. And I daggone sure don't want no raw meat on my hands. So this is a little fun little date. Huh. Take your mask off, sweet. How you going to eat with your mask on? So it's a fun little date. We eat take it back so we keep it. One day I'm gonna learn how to use these. I don't know how to use them. But we're gonna take and put this meat in here so we can try to boil it so that way we can cook it. So it shouldn't even take that long to cook. You want some more rice? Okay, I guess she's staring at it. Don't. This is so disrespectful. Let me put this back behind here because this seems like it's being disrespectful. You see that keep falling over? It's being disrespectful. So now we're going to take our rice. I like the way they did this rice too. They made it real pretty. Did you know they had tofu pieces in here? Huh?
So that's what we did.
Yeah, that must have been what we've been eating. So I didn't even realize that they had tofu in here in the rice.
Honestly, I don't think I have any. But like,
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna eat that. That could come on out.
sorry.
I wish I had that on camera, y'all. She was like, I want to try it. All right, so we're gonna go back with this sauce that's super spicy. Oh no, I put too much. All I needed to do was wet the rice. I didn't need to add all of that. So let's go over here. Let's see if we can get a full view of everything. Yeah, so now, so this is with the meat looking up. I don't know how to grab it. This is disgrace. So this is what our meat looking like. Huh? What? I don't know how to use these things. Hold on, I'm gonna cook a little bit longer. I gotta make sure our meat is good. I don't want no. So y'all definitely gotta try this first. It's really, really cute on the inside. It's really nice. But I don't know. We must came when the selection is kind of slim because last time we came in had so much selection. Yeah, everything. We keep getting the same things. So this is probably all we're gonna get right now is this. No, this rice is super good. Ooh, that extra spice. I don't know how you. I'm gonna put a piece of meat in there. One piece of meat. So the meat is done. You see it, guys? You want another piece of meat? Where's my spoon? Oh, there it is. Ooh. Oh. So you gotta get some of that broth in here with this. I get the broth. You like it? Ooh, it is yummy. Straight to the tummy. Yeah, they keep having the same stuff.
Well, they have more options.
I think my favorite is just rice. I can't get this rice all the way on this doggone fork.
And mushroom.
You said mushrooms?
Yeah, that's the sign all the way down there. And
You could take this broth home and use it for something else. There's some good broth. Where's king mushroom at? Oh yeah, oh that's some big old thick mushrooms. The broth is the best part. For y'all. It's like a doggone assembly line. Look. And you just pull off what you want. They ain't got no more watermelon. Yeah, we got to ask that waiter. They got jackfruit. They got some jackfruit and stuff like that. So we're going to ask this waiter. Can't use them chopsticks no more. We're going to ask this waiter, do they have any more watermelon? I don't do spicy food. And that stuff is killing me. This broth does extra good. I could just drink the broth. Wonder where the guy at.
Probably upset.
Yeah, that was hot. That burnt my mouth, girl. She laughed. She thought it was funny, y'all. Okay.
That was
Who is she? She gonna say she. Who is she? Girl? See, that's why I can't take her on no date no more. I'm going by myself. Got that bok choy in here. The presentation of this rice is so pretty. They really did a good job. Huh? Girl, you gotta make tons of money. And we ain't got it like that. Quick question, do y'all have any more watermelon?
Let me check.
Thank you. You just like food period, huh? I do. We love hot pot. We love hot pot. What? You don't like this place? I know it said I.
I was like, I said, what's hot pot? I like, oh.
Yeah. We ain't getting no more stuff.
I said, I went to it.
Oh, thank you. So we got a little thing of watermelon. Where your plate? Oh man. Where's your plate? Give it here. Oh yeah. Give me your fork. Here. She bit her fork hard, y'all. Look. Here. We got us some watermelon. I'm getting full. You getting full? Well, eat your rice. got a piece of steak or something that we made. One thing about the steak, they cut it so thin that it don't take that long to cook. I'll take our rice and our broth home. But there's a couple pieces of watermelon. I think it's like $4. Because I dropped the other one on the floor. I dropped it on the floor on accident. I love some watermelon. Alright, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. And we're trying to get your girl up to 200 subscribers by the end of November. So hit that subscribe button. Come join our family. What? Oh yeah, that one got 6. That's for a big family. So, she just interrupted me. How rude, how rude. But get your girl up to 200 subscribers so y'all can be a part of this family. Come on in and let me know what y'all like us to try. Just drop it down below and let us know what y'all like us to try. I can't get over this watermelon. This watermelon is everything. I'm going to take and play out of the decor one more time because it's real pretty in here. Watch out. Even the back of the seats are pretty, look. Tell me this ain't a beautiful sight while you're eating. This is so beautiful while you're eating. And like I said, if you like us, subscribe. Get your girl to 200. 200 subscribers. And sorry if it's a little bit dark. That's just how they got the mood set up so you can enjoy your food. And thank you again for all my subscribers and those who are subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate you. Until next time. Bye. Bye.